Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about derivatives of logarithmic function. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So before starting the topic, let's see some basic laws of logarithm. Okay. So our first law is log m into n. So when two functions are in multiplication, we can write them as log m plus log n. Okay, so they are separated by addition and base is a. So a and a. Next, when two functions are in division, so we can write them as log m minus log n to the base a and a. So if two functions are in division, we can separate them by subtraction. Okay. So this is log m raised to n. So when function is raised to another function, then we have to take it down. Okay, so we'll take it down. So we can write this as n log of m to the base a. Okay, our next function is log m to the another function n. So in this case, we separate two functions like log m upon log n, and in this case we give common base, that is a and a. Next is log e. So remember that log e is always 1. Okay, so log e is always 1, and our next function is log a raised to x. Same, now a raised to x, so it is raised to, we'll need to take it down here. So what we'll get is, it is x log of a to the base a. Okay, so these were 6 basic laws of logarithm. Now let us see derivatives of logarithmic function. Okay, but before that, let's see when some complicated functions are there, how to separate them. So if they have given you two functions, f of x into g of x, so we can apply log to these functions. So it will be log of f of x into g of x. So this is same as this, log m into n. So we can write this as log of f of x plus log of g of x. So here we are using first law. Okay, now if two functions are in division, okay, so we have to apply log to this function. So it will be log of f of x upon g of x. So it is same as this function, that is log m upon n. Now we know that it is separated by subtraction. So we can write log f of x minus log of g of x. Now we can solve it further. And our next function, when it is raised to another function and when we apply log to this, let's see what happens. So log of f of x raised to g of x. So we have seen that जब एक function ऊपर रहता है, what we have to take, नीचे लेना पड़ता है उसको. Okay, so we'll take it down. So it will be g of x log of f of x. Okay, so these were few functions, or we can say few complicated functions, which we made it simple by using this basic law. Now let's see few numericals related to this, so that your concepts will be more clear. So our first numerical is find dy by dx if y is equal to 5 plus x raised to x. Now in this case we can observe that one function is raised to another function, that is we have 5 plus x raised to x. So if we'll take log on both the sides, so let's see what happens. So you can write taking log on both the sides. So we'll get log of y, it is equal to 5 plus x raised to x and log of this function. Now we have seen that log of anything raised to anything is x log 5 plus x. So this x will be here on this side. So what we can write is log y is equal to x log of 5 plus x. Okay, now these two functions are in multiplication. Okay, now we can apply derivatives or differentiation. So let's see what we'll get. So applying derivatives on both the sides, what we can get is d by dx of log of y, it is equal to d by dx of this complete function, that is x log of 5 plus x. Okay, now in this case you can observe that these two are in multiplication, so we can apply UV rule. Now first, derivative of log y. So according to chain rule, derivative of log is 1 upon y, and derivative of y will be dy by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. So this will be dy by dx. Now multiplication. So first function as it is, derivative of second, that is derivative of log of 5 plus x, plus second function as it is, derivative of first, as our first function is x and second function is log of 5 plus x. Now we can solve that. Therefore 1 upon y dy by dx as it is. So this will be x into derivative of log is 1 upon 5 plus x, okay, plus log 5 plus x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Okay, now we can take this y on this side, so we'll get dy by dx, it is equal to y times this x upon 5 plus x plus log of 5 plus x. Okay, now in this case we want our complete solution in terms of x. Now in this case we can see that y is 5 plus x raised to x, so we'll substitute value of y here. Okay, so what we'll get, so dy by dx, it is equal to 5 plus x raised to x into this function, so that our complete solution is in terms of x. So this is your final answer. So our next numerical is find dy by dx if y is equal to x raised to x. Now here y is equal to x raised to x, so we'll apply log on both the sides. So applying log, we get log of y is equal to log of x raised to x. It is nothing but x log of x. Now both the functions are separated by log, and here log y as it is. Now we can differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So what we can say is, so this is 1 upon y dy by dx. So this will be derivative of x into log of x. So UV rule again. So first function as it is, derivative of second, plus second function as it is, derivative of first. So if this is first function and if this is second function, you can remember this sentence. So here will be 1 upon y dy by dx. Now first function as it is, derivative of second, plus second function as it is, derivative of first. So 1 upon y dy by dx, it is equal to x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So we can write this as, so y on this side, x upon x is 1 plus log x. Now we have to substitute original value of y, that is x raised to x. So x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. So this is dy by dx, which is your final answer. Hope so all your concepts related to derivatives of logarithmic functions are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.